where I'll start with uh, a panoramic sunroof. With a panoramic sunroof, a sliding sunroof, open or closed option is there. You experienced a wonderful feeling of freedom and enjoy the pleasantly bright ambience in the interior just because of the sunroof part. It has intelligent safety function as the integral obstruction sensor. So if somebody hand come in between all of a sudden, then it can go back. A sudden rain shower or when a hazardous situation is detected, it won't bother as your sliding sunroof will close automatically while preventing protective measures are initiated. So this is something very anonymous and a beautiful part of the sunroof which has all automated features, so a person can enjoy a pleasant weather with this particular sunroof option. And again, it also has the rugged look. This particular aluminium look illuminated running boards with the rubber studs being given in other model of SUVs as well, so which also gives it a little bit of rugged feeling, and also enhance the look of the car. And it also make other person life easy if somebody want to get in the car and just want to come out, so he can easily you know sit in the car just with the help of this one. Underguard is also being given in this. So this is something which is a rough and tough vehicle. If it goes on a off-roading s- uh, site on a different terrains, so you need not to worry about that part. This equipment protects the entire interbody of your vehicle. As such, one is always perfectly equipped for those spontaneous off-road experiences. In addition, the underground shield the engine compartment, thus effectively reducing the dirt. It also has mirror package. It makes everyday driving easier by electrically folding outside mirror with the help protect vehicle against the annoyed damage when parking is happening. So this is very useful and utility feature which can help you while parking your car. Alloy design is again very beautiful, which is 5 triple spoke light alloy wheels with the 21 inches size. Let's begin with the interior features of the GLS, where you have 64 color interior ambient lighting options, so you can change the ambient colors with your own choice, whichever you want to place you can. You have multiple options just to change this ambient lighting color by voice command, as well as you want to operate it through screen, through touchpad, through steering. So you got a many options. uh, Smartphone integration is also available, which is very much required in these days, like generation is very app and tech savvy, so you can use most of the app which is being given in this. Hard disk navigation, which will help you to take car and navigate different location. So this is also one of the useful feature. MBUX, again, this is a natural voice control option where you can give command and you can easily uh, uh, it makes your life very comfortable. Wireless charging, just to charge up your battery. um, it is a hassle just to carry a cable with you, but nowadays compatible wireless charging option has been given, which is again a next gen feature. And this is wonderful. Memory function, if somebody has 3 members in available in their family, so that they can set a different set of memory for all the people. So once they sit in the car, they just need to press the button, so they will be at their own position in terms of setting manner, and their own setting for certain features as well, like radio media and um, um, like if they have set in some location or something, some temperature part as well, so they can easily memorize these kind of features in this. Rear variant seats with the chauffeur package. By pressing this button, a person can adjust the seat which is available in the front side. So this is also one of the comfortable part. Not moving in front side, the person can easily adjust the seats from the rear. You can adjust the thematic thermotronic temperature control, which has different settings just to and four different settings just to change the temperature, and they call it 5 zone temperature control. Electric sunblind is also being given in this, where you can um, have your own privacy, and you can have a comfortable meeting inside, like you don't want any kind of distraction from outside. So from the safety point of view, it is also good. Burmester sound system has been given in this, again it has which has a good output of sound. So this is very nice. USB package, USB port is being given on your last row, so that in case in the last row somebody want to charge up and they just want to use certain electric items, so they can use it easily. Floor mats are also being given in this, which is also good. A multifunction steering wheel with a Napa leather, which enhances the look of the car, so which is also good. The good part is the seats are one touch electrically fold down function. You just need to press a button once with with an easy touch, and all seats will fold comfortably. Again, if you just want to make those seats at the same position, then you need to touch the button again. So this is something very easy and comfortable feature which makes people life very easy. And MBUX has interior assistant as well, where you if you are going to uh, take your hand in a motion so that your lamps will get on. This is also a next and the new feature in this. Easy pack tailgate, where you have a button, you just need to press it just to close your boot, which is very comfortable. Easy pack load compartment cover, which cover your luggage and baggage inside, so other person cannot see it from the outside. Let's talk about some safety features where multi-beam LED headlamps is play a vital role. This car has 650-meter visibility over road. This is again a good amount of distance which it covers. So a multi-beam LED also work independently because it has independent LEDs which work according to the situation. While cornering in the rainy season, in a foggy weather, it gives you a good visibility over road. It has a different feature altogether. Blind spot assist, if some car in a some manner you are not able to see it on your side mirrors, but still it will give you some signal where you can have a judgment that some vehicle is coming from backside, so you can make yourself alert accordingly. Active brake assist, if some vehicle is going in front of you and you don't apply the brakes, the car will not take uh, that sort of harm. So it will just both unprecedented intelligence and precision to take the strain out of driving and actively keep you out of harm. Adaptive high beam assist, it also change their position as per the situation, so it doesn't harm the other person view automatically. You just need to put it on a automatic mode. Pre-safe system, where if the car uh, understand and it observe you on the basis of certain um, pre-safe system, where your settings for your sitting position as well as your sunroof and your seat belt, it it makes certain changes in these things, like it tighten your seat belt, it will change the position of your seat in a right manner where it required to be, and it will close your sunroof if something is about to happen. Attention assist, if you're feeling drowsy and which is not comfortable for driving, by observing you on certain parameters, it will give you attention assist on your screen. This is also very important feature. The people feel lazy, all it will also stop either road accidents and all. Parking package with the 360-degree camera. So you have a 360-degree camera option available where you can easily park your car with the help of this camera and parking sensors. You can see on the right side there's a different sort of angles which can be selected by you by just by touching these. So by different angles you can have a view of the car from different sides. 9 airbags. uh, in case this is again very safety feature for you. So just to make you safe in a difficult situation. It has two variant option, GLS 400D and GLS uh, 400 petrol. GLS prices are starting with 1 CR 4,70,000 rupees. So thanks for watching and stay connected, stay tuned for more videos and more details.